Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Ben from ultratechlife.com. Come with me on a Kansas City snowstorm adventure. Woo! Like, this hill's dangerous. Anytime you go down and there's ice or snow, it's slick, you could slide right off the road. Keep your eyes peeled. The dash cam's running. See if we get any kind of interesting stuff happening. A lot of times people will continue to drive crazy even though the weather's bad. I see that as a storm chaser all the time with large hail, gusty winds, low visibility. So Kansas City right now is under a blizzard warning. I just think this is cool, driving in different kind of weather. Of course, if you don't have to, don't come out and do this. I have to get back to my hotel. Just have a place to stay. I'm hungry. I'm already out, so I'm coming back home. But I'm being very careful. Don't get too close to cars. Guy behind me is worrying me. He's getting too close to me. The plows have been out. I've seen them for a while. I'm going to get into another lane here. That guy is following way too close to the car in front of him. How am I going to do this? What's up? This is Ben from Ultra Tech Life. So this is the Kansas City snowstorm. It got worse. I left the store just now. I'm going to get something to eat and head back to my hotel. Ideally, you wouldn't want to be out driving in this. So don't attempt this. Anybody watching this at home? This is crazy. Let's see how we're going to get out of here. I guess it's possible to get stuck. Yeah. See some people still shopping in the Micro Center. I've got some video for you guys to show you of the Micro Center experience. Check this out. We're under a blizzard warning in Kansas City. It's pretty bad conditions here. We'll see how far I get. Check this out. They need to plow this. This is pretty bad here. Picking up some barbecue. Taking it back to my hotel. I'm also taking back some food for family at home. So I risked my life today to be driving around in this crazy weather in Kansas City on this Sunday. It's not the first time I've been out in crazy weather. Usually storm chasing and that, doing a little bit of sliding here and making sure nobody is coming into the intersection or whatever. Look at this wind. I saw on the model, one of the models yesterday, we were supposed to have 40-something mile per hour wind gust. So it's a couple hours off, but obviously the visibility's reduced here. Crazy. But I keep plowing this. Basically gonna stay on this road that I'll go back home on. Actually not home, to my hotel. Calling that home. There's actually a lot of people out for as bad as the weather is. Got the dash cam running. Hopefully going to see something interesting. For me, this is interesting enough, just seeing the snow here. It's been a long time since I've been in a snowstorm. Used to drive in these things all the time when I lived up here in the Midwest. So that's pretty cool. Now see these people stopping up ahead of me? I have to stop way behind them because there's a lot of sliding going on. I'm watching the people behind me to make sure they stop as well. You never know what you're going to see up here. I also don't know if people are sliding backwards. If they are, we're not going to be able to make it all the way there. But we'll see what happens here. I'm pretty far back right now. Running the defrosters. I hate this car. One of the worst rental cars I've ever gotten from a place called Payless. I don't recommend them at all.